Coding is an art until it turns into a headache. One minute you're in the zone, shipping clean functions like it's nothing. Next minute, a bug shows up, your console starts screaming, and suddenly you're 47 tabs deep on Stack Overflow. We've all been there. But here's the thing, you don't have to wrestle with broken code alone anymore. That's where Claude AI comes in. Think of it like a coding sidekick that can generate snippets, help you debug faster, optimize messy logic, and even write documentation. So in this video, let's look at 5 steps to use Claude for coding, so you get useful outputs, not guesswork. And if you're thinking beyond the code generation, we'll show you how ClickUp is your one place to be. Let's start with our first step, setting up Claude for coding assistance. Sign up for free and you can start coding with Claude right away. Once signed in, you need to give it a clear context. Tell it what you're building, what language you're using, and what you want as the output. The clearer you are upfront, the fewer back and forth prompts you'll need. The next step is code generation. Claude can save you time by producing ready-to-use snippets, especially when you're tired of writing repetitive boilerplate or searching for half-matching answers online. So give it the scenario and the rules. For example, start with a request for sorting by price. Then ask it to handle missing or invalid prices gracefully so the function doesn't break or behave weirdly. And if you want flexibility, ask for a parameter that lets you switch between ascending and descending order, so you get one reusable function instead of rewriting it later. Step 3 is debugging. Claude can help you fix issues fast, but only if you give it clear details. Don't just say, "My code isn't working." Instead, share the exact error, the code snippet, and what you expected. For example, if you see none type object is not subscriptable in Python, Claude can spot that something returned. And if your SQL query is slow, Claude can suggest indexing or using explain to speed things up. The next step is documentation. Claude helps here by generating clean first drafts in seconds. You can paste a function and ask, add a detailed docstring explaining parameters, return values, and error handling. That alone makes your code easier to work with later. You can also have Claude break down algorithms in simple terms, or create clear API docs in Markdown, with request and response examples, so you don't have to start from scratch each time. Lastly, optimize your code. Claude can help you refactor code to be cleaner, faster, and more scalable, especially when your data grows. In JavaScript, using a set to remove duplicates is quicker than looping through an array and checking if each item is already there. And for SQL, Claude can suggest speeding up searches, like adding an index to the column you filter by, so queries don't crawl on large datasets. All these features and use cases make Claude a powerful tool. But here's where it hits its limitations. It's not a full development environment, it can't run your code inside your setup, it doesn't automatically understand your entire repo unless you feed it context, and sometimes it can suggest patterns that are outdated. Now here's where ClickUp, the world's first converged AI workspace, comes in. While Claude helps you write code, ClickUp helps you ship code, because it turns isolated AI help into a managed, repeatable coding workflow with contextual AI. At the core of this is ClickUp Brain, an inbuilt context-aware AI assistant that helps you generate code, suggest improvements, and help you retrieve reusable snippets, so you're not reprompting AI for the same answers every week. And with ClickUp's CodeGen, you can automate code generation for repetitive tasks or boilerplate, saving even more time. ClickUp Docs further becomes your single source of truth for coding standards and API notes. You can save all the codes and guidelines you generated here and share them with your team for easy collaboration. You can then take anything ClickUp Brain gives you, snippets, fixes, optimizations, and turn it into tracked work. You can create tasks for features or bugs, assign an owner, set priority and deadlines, and attach the AI-generated code right there so it doesn't get lost. And if debugging is where your time disappears, super agents step in as AI teammates that handle the operational drag around fixing issues. Once a bug is identified, super agents help organize it, prioritize it against everything else in the backlog, and keep the fix moving through the workflow without constant manual follow-ups. And to keep your team aligned, ClickUp dashboards give you a real-time overview of progress, blockers, and code review status, so you always know what's shipping next and where help is needed. So this is how ClickUp turns that isolated AI help into a complete coding workflow, taking you from the first idea to tasks to reviews to documentation all the way to shipping. Sign up today on ClickUp.com and turn your next build into a smoother, smarter development workflow with contextual AI.